to link devices on Signal app. So if you want to link devices on Signal app, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Make sure that you've downloaded the application. Now once you've downloaded, you need to just simply go with continue, which will be on the bottom, and then make sure that you've logged into your account. So go with allow and then enter your number. Go with next, which will be on the bottom, and then set your profile and confirm your PIN. And that's it. Now you've been logged into your account, right? If you want to link other devices on Signal, then all you want to do is tap on the three dots, which will be in the top right. Just tap on the three dots. Now select the settings option. Here you will find different options. You need to go ahead and find the option of linked devices. You need to tap on linked devices. Now all of your linked devices will be shown over here. If you want to link a new device, then you need to go ahead and tap on the link a device option or tap on link a new device. After that, enter your PIN, tap on confirm, which will be on the bottom. And then as you can see here on the bottom, it says use this device to scan the QR code displayed to the device you want to link. Just tap on OK, which will be on the bottom. Now tap on allow to access and then tap on while using the app. Tap on it. Now you need to scan the QR code displayed on the device to link. Once you scan it, this device will be successfully linked and it will appear here under linked devices. That's how you can link devices on Signal app, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.